What's up, y'all? It's April 15th, another day. I got one sale today. It is some saline from, when I was talking about that, I had a few medical things that was left, and that was one of them. It was a saline. Man, that sold for $13.30. So I got that packaged up already, and I'm trying to show y'all a picture of it, and I'm going to list that. I mean, not list it, but ship that out. Yeah, pretty much that's it for right now. Today I think I got some stuff I won on auction, on an online auction. I don't know if I'm gonna pick it up today or not. I'm gonna try to make it to do that, but if so, I'll let y'all know. So until then, I will see y'all guys later. Stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. April 16th. Just woke up to a sale. About to get this all packaged up. I got a Ouija board that I had from a online auction from. I think I had this board probably over a month now, maybe a month and a half, probably close to 2 months. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I know I had it for a minute. But this is the last Ouija board that I had. I had two of them, and if you see from previous videos, I sold the other one. But this one, it sold for $21.95 plus they pay for shipping, so that's all good and good. So therefore, this is it right here. I don't know if you see that. I had this for a minute, and we'll go ahead and ship it out in one of these large like game board type boxes I got from UPS website. I mean, not UPS, but USPS website, free. I mean, it's longer than the game, but I'm gonna just take the corners of it, cut it, so it pretty much chop it down to a smaller size, and then I ship it out that way. That way you save money. So, with all that said, also today, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the stuff that I got from the online auction I won. I had one probably like 2 days ago, but finally got time to pick it up. So I'm gonna do that after I ship this off. Well, I got other things to do, but then I'll go and get the stuff. But until then, I'll show you guys what I have. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be. Till then, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Good evening, everybody. So on the same day, I just received another sale, and this sale is from Offer Up, and it's two Pringle cans, the Rick and Morty edition, the little pickle Rick. So I got two of those going off. The buyer paid $9, plus they paid the shipping. So that's it for right now. I have somebody just messaged me about some headphones that I have listed on there, but we'll see how that goes. So other than that, if anything changes, I'll let y'all know. Thank you for watching. What's up, y'all? It's Q. April 17th. It's another day. Yesterday I remember I told y'all I was gonna go to auction and pick up the things that I won, but I never made it there. Time wise, didn't make it. So I went today. Today just been real busy. Me and my wife going back and forth, her hair products. People are buying stuff from the store, so we go back and forth, going to meet people, take something here and there. So it's pretty exciting, but so it's busyness too at the same time. But I'm gonna show y'all the stuff that I got in a second. But today I got a sale Offer Up. It was a portable heater my mother gave me one day. I went over her house, and she know I'll be selling things on eBay, and so she going around the house finding things to give me. Well, I ended up selling. So I had it on eBay really for $18 some change, plus buyer ship, and on Offer Up I had it for $25. So usually when I put it on Offer Up, I add at least $5 more, because the difference of as far as eBay, you benefit off the shipping if they pay extra $5. But all in all, we got that sale, but I didn't have to ship it off. Good thing, because I ain't glad I ain't boxed it up either. So I met up with the buyer at their house and swapped it out. Got the money. That was it. I had to go through the fees. So they gave $25 for it. So that's pretty much pure profit since it was given to me. So I guess that's it so far in my day. So let's go ahead and get into the things that I got. All right, guys, here we go. Let's try to get through this the best I can here. This first up here is a bunch of new computer parts. Let me unwrap this one. All right, here's a bunch of computer parts, new. Got here a motherboard. I mean, I'm just now looking at all this stuff, so I'm gonna have to look up everything, but didn't think it was too bad of a choice to try to make this. Hopefully everything is at good prices. I mean, so for all this to be new, but I paid all together for this collection of computer parts. It's $5.98. So we're gonna see how far that stretches for me. I don't know what type of chip this for is, but I had to look it up. Got a hard drive. I might keep that myself. I don't know, but let's move on to the next one. Up here next, so we got 2 air pumps, some old ones. I'm gonna actually keep one of these and probably get rid of the other one. I don't know, maybe keep both. I don't know. I decide I'll probably keep one, but I actually picked these up to be able to keep one. But these are some old bike pumps. I got these both together for $9.56, and I don't even know how I would even ship this if I had to, but I think I'll figure it out. But let's move to the next. Right here is a couple of Philips car headlight lights, bulbs. I got 5 of them here. The GE 9005 high and low beam. I got picked these all up together for $10.76, and I think I saw eBay maybe selling for, I believe, between 8 and 11 maybe for 2 sets. So probably more to get my money back from this. So that's that. Oh, and 1 GE, the rest on Philips. So let's see what's next. This right here, this is a Peter J. Michaels leather barber stroke. I don't know what this was. I guess it's, I don't know, a belt foot. I don't know. But I looked it up on eBay and they're selling for about $50 or $60. That's pretty much the main reason I got this. So if you guys know exactly how to use this, y'all can let me know, because I don't. But I picked this up for $11.96. So I'm guessing I might put it on listed for $49.99 maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Well, let's see the next. This right here is a mineral salt electric lamp. I'm probably most likely pick this up for personal. I think I'm gonna keep this. I only got this because I remember me and my wife went to a snow cave one time. I liked it. It was pretty cool, and I didn't know how much this salt does to a body or whatnot. But I probably just keep this and put it in our bedroom. And I picked this one up for $4.78. So that's that. What we got up next is a collection of Boyd's Bear plush animals. From time to time I see like stuff like this listed and people sell, because I mean I probably would never even pick stuff up like this, to be honest, but I know it be online selling, and I don't know. I'm probably list these all together and put them in one bulk listing. But oh, I thought that was electric. But okay, but things got some weight to it too. But hopefully these sell pretty quick. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look them all up and see what I find. But if it ain't too much, then I'm probably just put them all together and sell them as one. But I paid for these was $4.78 for all of them. And let's move on to the last and final one. And last up is a collection of TY Beanie plush toys. Like, there's another set of things that, I see on eBay selling. I don't know if I put these all together or probably just divide them out. I'll probably divide them out, maybe. I don't know. But it's going to be interesting listing all these. We'll see what happens. And I paid for this $4.78 also. So that was all. I thank y'all for watching. Any more updates or anything come around, I'll let y'all know. So until then, stay astute for life, learn from your mistakes, and I'm out. Peace.